to eat right by my feet. Oh, I got that on camera too.
Dude, that's great.
Oh, another one. Oh, this is the bigger one. This is a largie or is this a spot? Oh, that's a big old spot. That's a big old spot. Oh, come on. Come here. Get a trolling motor. You need to grab a trolling motor. We're about to have a 5 fish limit. We're at 4 right now. Another one, 5 fish limit. Let's go.
Nice, dude. Awesome, dude.
Another one. Ah, that's 6. Oh!
Oh, he got off.
Oh, man. I'm not trying to touch this with my hand. You're about to catch one. That's 6 right there. Oh, yeah. Please don't come off. 6. Alright, where's the pliers at? Where'd the pliers go? Do you have them?
No, it's right behind you.
Oh, there they are. Might eat it right by my feet again. Nope, he's not chasing it. Please hit. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, about average. Ate it when I just had it sitting there. Watch out. Oh. Oh, I'm getting hit. Yeah. It's right up there by the bank, though. See, right up there. Oh, that's another one. Oh, look, they're chasing each other for it. I might be crazy if I get 2 on at the same time. Yeah, bad. No, he came off.
Oh no!
I played him too much.
Right there, dude.
Go ahead and let that little one go. All right. All right, we caught like 8 today.
Yeah.
Not bad. Probably about 10 pounds for all 8. So. Not that bad, but for spots, about average. Especially here on Lake Allatoona, that's really good. He's fine, just got it. Another one. Another one. And the last one. There we go. Caught all those on a spook. Alright, so the bait was a H2O Express spook. It's got kind of like a ghost shad color. You can see it's all tore up from Lake Lanier and today. Absolutely wrecked. And I have that on a 7-foot medium heavy Berkeley rod, and then a 7 1-to-1 lose reel and 30-pound braid. You want braid for top water because it doesn't stretch and it floats. So it worked really well in this combo. This spook definitely produced today. All right, so that's a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time.